Tired of wasting hours on manual math? What if AI could crunch numbers 10x faster? Meet Abacus AI, the tool that turns chaos into clarity. Let's unlock its secrets. Did you know? The average person spends 4 hours a week on calculations. Abacus AI can slash that to 4 minutes. But here's the catch, most users only scratch the surface. Let's fix that. 1. What is Abacus AI? Abacus AI isn't just a calculator, it's a machine learning powerhouse. It solves equations, predicts trends, and even learns your workflow. Perfect for students, analysts, and entrepreneurs. Imagine solving calculus homework while AI writes your report. But first, let's dodge the #1 mistake new users make. Hidden flaw teaser warning, input data wrong. Abacus AI's garbage in, garbage out. Here's how to avoid disaster. Step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. Import data Excel, CSV, or type it in. Step 2. Choose your goal. Solve, predict, or optimize. Step 3. Let AI work its magic. Boom! But wait, there's a secret trick to double your efficiency. Mid-roll shock upgrade failed. 73% of users miss this critical setting. Advanced tips and tricks. Level up with these hacks. 1. Custom shortcuts. Program Ctrl+Z to undo and rerun calculations. 2. API mode. Connect Abacus AI to Python or Excel. 3. Bulk solve. Drag and drop 100 files at once. Now, let's see how a Fortune 500 company saved 1M with this tool. What's your biggest math headache? Comment below. Case studies. Case study 1. A startup predicted Q for sales with 98 accuracy. Case study 2. A student aced finals by solving 500 practice problems in a day. The lesson? AI doesn't replace you, it supercharges you. Ready to conquer math madness? Grab Abacus AI and smash subscribe for pro tips. Oh, and comment Team AI if you're joining the revolution.